Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on press power button to end call setting. Friends, you want to use iqoo mobile, press power button to end call setting. So friends, now let's see how to turn on press power button to end call setting in iqoo mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, in your iqoo mobile you want to use press power button to end call setting. So friends, open your phone call setting. Friends, right click here three dot setting, and if you click here setting option, so friends you cannot use press power button to end call setting in iqoo mobile. So friends, you want to on press power button to end call setting, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, scroll down here, and in your iqoo mobile friends, open your device shortcut and accessibility setting. Again scroll down here friends, open your phone accessibility setting. Talkback settings, select to speak setting you want to use, so you can use. So friends, click here system control setting, and you can use press power button to end call setting you want to on. So friends, you can turn on press power button to end call setting and you can use it. When your phone screen is on, you want to cut call with power button, so press power button and you can cut call. Second option friends, you want to use iqoo mobile screen rotate setting. You want to rotate your iqoo mobile screen, so you can rotate your screen, and you don't want to rotate, so you can off. Power button to end call setting friends, you don't want to use, so you can off your power button to end call setting. Now friends, you cannot cut call with power button. Again you want to use, so friends, on your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click here search option, and friends you can find power button to end call setting in iqoo mobile with shortcut setting. Friends, search here power setting, power button setting, power button to end call setting. Friends, click here. You can on power button to end call setting with shortcut setting in your iqoo mobile, and you don't want to cut call with power button, so you can off your press power button to end call setting in iqoo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Now do you have any problem in shortcut and accessibility settings, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.